we're solving one variable inequalities. I have one with an absolute value, and then we have one more with a square root. So let's first start with the absolute value. Again, change your sign to an equal sign and solve. So absolute value of 3x minus 5 equals 4. And then with absolute value, that's when we split into two equations. 3x minus 5 equals 4, and then 3x minus 5 equals negative 4. So solve both of those, and that will be our new boundary points. 3x equals 9, x equals 3. 3x, add 5, so that equals 1. X equals 1/3. So here are our two boundary points. Let's plot them. First, put our test point of 0. Next comes 1/3, and then next comes 3. All right, so our test point is actually not in between our two boundary points. That doesn't change what we're going to do, but it'll change the smiley, happy, smiley. So let's go ahead and plug 0, our test point in to x. So that ends up being an absolute value of negative 5, which is 5 is less than 5. 5 is less than 5 is false. 5 is not less than 5. So that's false. And our two boundary points, between our two boundary points, that will be happy then. And then on the other side of the boundary point would be sad. So in between, that's our solution. All numbers in between 1/3 and 3. So all numbers in between 1/3 and 3.